back in the field to complete the second step of making hay. What this step is called tedding. So what we're doing is spreading the hay out so it dries better. But the reason we did not get into the field right after we mowed the hay or finished mowing the hay is because we wanted the ground to dry in between the rows. If you feel our content's worth sharing, please do, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And here comes one of our pet deer coming out of the oats and eating some hay.